Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about hooking up our DJI RC2 to a TV as an external display. I know some of you folks work out in the field and carry things like the DJI 1000 or generators and want to give a screen view to your clients that are potentially there with you. We're also going to talk about hooking up a wireless mouse to the RC2 to set waypoints at home, as long as you've got the maps downloaded, and using that in combination with the TV for a bigger screen. It gets a little tedious looking at that small screen, and if you've got fat fingers like me, it gets a little tough. So we're going to dive into it, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway first. Right, just wanted to take a second to remind you guys about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to be giving away this here Firehouse Technologies Arc 5 Pro. Hands down best strobe light on the market. Just velcros right onto your Air 3S. So if you're interested in winning one of those, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down there. Leave subscribed or something like that. Ask questions. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Back to the video. So here's what we're dealing with today, guys. We've got some obvious things: a TV, DJI RC2 controller, and a wireless mouse. What you probably don't know about is this HDMI to USBC cord that we're going to be using to hook up the controller to the monitor. Before I get into that, though, I'm going to give a quick shout out to my buddy Todd, also a fellow Alaskan. He's doing really nice high-end trips up around Fairbanks, North Pole, and even farther north, capturing all different sorts of things, including the Northern Lights. He just published a book, which I've found really helpful because I am definitely a novice photographer. I'll have a link in the description if you want to check this out. It's just like it says, a no BS guide to actually using your camera. It's been very helpful to me trying to learn photography cameras. So if you're interested, check out the description for a link. All right, so we've got our RC2 hooked up to our TV, and I recommend doing that with the RC2 off. So now we'll turn it on. Let it spool up. I've got my Air 3S in the window, just pointing out because you'll need it on to get the maps. All right, goes right to the live view, so perfect. Just gonna swipe down from the top. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Turn that on. Then we're going to go up here to this little nut looking thing and tap that in the top right. Then we're going to go to connected devices. Then we're going to hit Bluetooth. And then pair new device. Now it's looking for available devices. So it's auto connected to mine because I've hooked up to it before. But what you would do is just turn on your wireless Bluetooth mouse, and it would come up here and you would just select connect. So there's how you do that. So now we're back to the live view. We've got our mouse hooked up, and what you do is you come up here and select this snake looking thing. That's the Waypoint planner. So switch over, click down there in the corner so it shows you your map, and you can use your wheel to scroll out, and then click Waypoint. Guess I'm a little too zoomed out. Just click around where you want. You can press the left mouse button and drag the map around. You can, you can put a better map on there, but don't need everybody seeing a whole map of my neighborhood. Click out here, there's another waypoint, click here, another waypoint. And this is much better, with the satellite map. So, you zoom in and out with your wheel on your mouse. So once you set up what you want to do, come over here, click that, click save, save as, and you can give it a name, whatever you want. We'll just call it X. Save. So now it's saved. When you go out in the field, you can just use that and you just go to your history like it's showing, select that one, and you're all set. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway and check out my buddy Todd's book. Thanks a lot, guys. Quick editor's note here. Forgot to mention that once you've got your RC2 hooked up to your TV, that's a great time to introduce children or friends that might act like children. Introduce them to drones before you turn them loose with your expensive actual drone. Super convenient, much easier to see on the TV than on the little screen there. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, guys.